Good morning, guys. So, a quick market update from me. I'm just looking at GBP USD. I did try and get in a short yesterday, which ended up break even over here after a pretty good movement, to be honest. But yeah, I closed break even. There was no second entry, but we can see that it is moving down already. So, I will still be looking for shorts today because we still have 50% retracement is not completed yet. So if I'm looking in this zone, let me just clean it up. We have the minor break over here, and then we have, well, we actually don't have a clean supply because that got tapped into over here. So let's see if maybe price needs to come down lower, create a fresh supply here. But yeah, I'll be looking for further short entries on this pair. The next pair I saw that was interesting was NU. So we took out the highs as we were expecting yesterday, and we have this break over here. And in this case, we do have a very clean, fresh supply. So I'm looking for that pullback today into the supply, and then the continuation down to the 50%. We have a lot of nice liquidity here. We have this demand zone over here, of course. And you can see there's not really any clean demand left below the 50% since they were all previously reacted to. So it is likely that price could either come down to this demand or it could even just break the lows over here. So we'll have to see, but I'm very interested in taking shorts on NU. Moving on, I'm no longer interested in UJ and UCAD and all of these pairs because, as you can see, it just is continually, it's getting quite messy. We are, you know, we've already completed the retracement here, and then it's just failing to break the new lows. So for me, it's just ranging at the moment, and I'm not interested in getting in. Same on UJ. Retracement is complete over here, and then the new range just needs to take out over here, which is pretty messy. AD again is just such a tiny range. I drew that out yesterday. It's gonna take that out, and then yeah, you could potentially take shorts down into the low again since the retracement is complete. Let's see. Yeah, there were no valid entries. Would have been a loss. However, that is quite late in the PM, so wouldn't have taken an entry when we have rollover so soon. Yeah, the next pairs that I'm still keeping on my watch list for now is Euro JPY. Let's see, it's stalling up here, but of course this works out in our favor because it's just liquidity, and then price could come down and continue like that. So I'm still waiting for that. Still waiting for that on your AUD as well. Again, that liquidity. So yeah, just oh yeah, there's GJ. It has come into this demand over here. GJ is interesting to me because the retracement is complete, which means we should be taking out this high over here. But you can see that we failed to do so, and interestingly enough, we are reacting to this extreme supply over here, which should have broken through, but somehow it has caused price to come all the way down here. So it'll be interesting if we get a reaction to this demand, However, there's obviously so much liquidity under it. This is the next extreme demand. Um, so yeah, if we are going to continue the bullish trend, it should be from this demand zone, and I would wait to break this high over here and enter from fresh demand. But I'm not entering from this demand. I want to wait for the new fresh demand because, like I said, there's liquidity, so it's potential for a price to break through this and just come and take out the swing lows, since price is reacting to the supply and failed to take out the high over here when we were so close to it. So I think GJ is very interesting to see if we are going to have a continuation or a full reversal. Obviously, this pair is going to be very fundamentally aligned as well. So, yeah, it's something to keep an eye on. But yeah, those are the pairs that I'm watching today. Mainly GU, GJ, and NU shorts is the most interesting. So, yeah, we'll be keeping it updated in the Discord as usual. So, feel free to join us there.